we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing public figure names and more names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So for reference, in French his name is said as Pierre Poilievre, Pierre Poilievre, Pierre Poilievre. So in English it is often said as Pierre, of course. Many say it as Poilievre, but really it should be Poilievre, Pierre Poilievre, from French, Pierre Poilievre. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support, more videos for you here to learn more how to say correctly confusing names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.